It's a scathing public reprimand for a former circuit court judge who's been at the center of an LEX 18 investigation for more than a year.
The Kentucky Judicial Conduct Commission found former Judge Beth Mays guilty on 5 counts of misconduct for alleged actions she took during the arrest of her ex-husband.
LEX 18's Lee Searcy has tonight's big story at 6.
The Kentucky Judicial Conduct Commission called former Judge Mays' alleged actions on the evening of September 18, 2017, a travesty. That's when her ex-husband, Champ Mays, was arrested. She issued orders to have him drug tested and wrote that the Commonwealth's attorney and the Bath County attorney signed off on the orders when in fact they did not. Here's a clip from our original story.
I never saw that order.
In this 2018 interview with Mays, we asked her why she did it.
I did write that, and am I sorry I wrote it? Sure. That night, it was a very emotional night.
In its final order, the chair of the commission wrote, Mays was a sadly accurate example of what a judge should not do when faced with such circumstances, and added the judiciary as a whole has been greatly harmed, and went on to state if Judge Mays was still a sitting judge, the commission would remove her from office. At her administrative hearing, Mays chose not to testify. In fact, before the hearing, she resigned as a judge and wanted the proceedings stopped, but her request was denied. Despite being found guilty on 5 of 6 ethics charges, Mays maintains her innocence and plans to appeal the JCC's findings. Her attorney, Thomas Clay, told me, quote, "The findings are the result of a kangaroo court. They ignored evidence we presented and violated Judge Mays' constitutional rights to remain silent," end quote. Because Mays has retired, the commission says the most it can do is issue a public reprimand. In a separate criminal case, Mays still faces 3 felony charges related to her ex-husband's arrest, charges she is fighting as well. Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.
Mays is appealing the decision. We asked the administrative office of the courts if Mays could still be a special judge. A spokeswoman says those who want to serve in the retired judges program must apply and be vetted by a selection committee. No word yet on how this could impact her retirement.